There is a very important notice prior to instruction. The machine must be completely stopped before any part of the body or object is extended into the machine. Please be sure to follow this procedure to ensure safety and avoid accidental injury. Now onto the video tutorials. The following introduces the signal line communication connection between machines. This is the signal interface between machines. Just connect directly. These two are the signal lines for the solder paste printer. This signal line is used to connect the machine of the previous process of the PCB loader or printer. This printer signal line is connected to the machine of the next process, usually a conveyor or a pick and place machine or a SPI machine. This signal line is connected to the PCB loader. If the machine does not have these sockets, you need to choose the corresponding signal cable to connect them. There are 4 wires, one set is 24 volts and the other set is 0 volts. If there is no corresponding interface, we can only connect it by cutting the signal wire and measuring the voltage. The red and white wires are 24 volts and the black and yellow wires are 0 volts. The usual connection method is connect the 0 voltage signal line of the printer's upper process machine to the 24 voltage signal line of the loader. We'd better measure and check the voltage. The printer is connected to the loader. The printer uses 2 0 voltage wires. The printer is connected to the pick and place machine signal line, and the printer uses 24 voltage. This method is generally applicable to all SMT machines. This is the power cord of the printer. The voltage is 0 volts. There are 3 wires. They are AC voltage. Please ask an electrician to connect the power wires. 2 are live and neutral wires, and 1 is the ground wire. If you don't understand how to connect them, please ask an electrician to install them. This is the power switch of the machine. We turned on the power and waited to enter the system. After turning on the power, the computer host will automatically start up. Introducing these switches. This is the pressure gauge for the air entering the machine. The air pressure cannot be lower than 0.5 MPa, but the air pressure cannot be higher than 0.6 MPa. This is the emergency switch. If anything dangerous happens, please press it immediately. The machine has been turned on and automatically entered the system. After the machine automatically boots up and enters the system, we manually open the solder printer software. Open the printer software. Today's tutorial is introduced here. I hope it can help you. I also hope you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.